Hello friends, now let's talk about the disinvestment policies in the subject of business economics for TY Bcom semester 5 students. Now there are different objectives or disinvestment policies which have been come into function. Now, the first one is the new industrial policy of 1991. Now, after the announcement of NEP of 1991, it has been considered as a starting point of policy initiatives which was taken by the government in the direction of disinvestments. And in order to provide greater autonomy to the public enterprises and make more accountable, government also introduced the concept of MOU. There were also Navratnas and Mini Ratna concepts which have been introduced, where initially IOC, IPCL, ONGC, HPCL, NTPC, SAIL, VSNL and BHAIL were introduced as Navratnas of India, and for greater functional and operational autonomy, they had also granted to 97 other PSUs which was determined as Mini Ratnas. The Department of Investment and Public Asset Management was being started. Initially, DIPM was set up in 1991 and in 2004 it came under the Ministry of Finance and was later renamed as DIPAM. Now this department deals in all the matters which are relating to the management of central government investments in equity, all the matters relating to the sale of central government equity through the offer for sale of private placements, decision in matters relating to central public sector undertakings for the process of government's investment in equity, and also advises governments in the matters of financial restructure. Now, the different methods of disinvestments were introduced. The first one was IPO, initial public offering, where the offer of shares for the first time was made to public by an unlisted CPSE or government out of its shareholding or a combination of both. Further public offering, FPO, was also being introduced, through which the offer of sales by the listed CPSE or government out of its shareholdings or a combination of both was bought or was made for the public for subscription. Offer for sale, OFS, was also done by the promoters through the stock exchange mechanism, and this method would allow auction of sale or auction of the shares on the platform provided by the stock exchange. A strategic sale will also involve the sale of the large portion of the government shareholdings of the CPSE of up to 50%, a much higher percentage as a competent authority may determine.